Join me as I take on the challenge of driving from Burundi to Rwanda, exploring everything along the way. In this video, we're going to explore the scenic route from Burundi through Tanzania to Rwanda, highlighting the beauty and culture along the way.
I don't know why many people don't visit this city. Is it because it's at the far end of Tanzania? Because it has so much to offer. Look at that.
Like 60 cents. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Almost
60.
Yeah, 60. That is 60 cents, not even a dollar.
Okay. This one here, Savannah, this one here costs $2 only. Wine costs wine here in Burundi costs $10. Cheap. Hello guys, this is another day still on the road trip. We are heading to Kigali, Rwanda, at the border of Burundi and Tanzania. Going to have a drive of 3 hours until we arrive at Rwanda. So I'm going to have breakfast right now, Kenyan tea and mandazi. And yeah, we start our journey definitely right away. Make sure you watch all the videos that I've been posting and also the videos that I'm posting now. I want to appreciate you all for taking your time to come and subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. Please make sure you share them to your lovely ones and everybody. Let's grow together. See you on the road. Here's the tea. Very tasty. Then I have the mandazi. Sorry guys, I was so hungry. I've already eaten. This is the part that I've remained with. Yeah, so far so good. And now we're going to start our journey. Let us call our driver because we're not going with the bus because it's only 3 hours. Yeah, see you at the at the road. And you know, Rwanda roads are so good. Yeah, so let's do this. Swahili, we are in the wine store here in Burundi. Let's see how much.
Hello? Oui.
So guys,
We are in a liquor store and we want to know the prices of liquor here in Burundi. So let's wait and hear.
yes.
Wasema yes kwa Savana zangu hizo.
Naona?
Corona.
Haya corona mama.
We made it. Like 60 cents. Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Almost
60.
Yeah, 60. That is 60 cents, not even a dollar.
Okay. This one here, Savannah, this one here costs $2 only. Wine costs wine here in Burundi costs $10.
Okay, yeah, bit
Cheap.
compared.
Have you spotted children playing football in Burundi? And let's appreciate Burundi for once. Back in the years, Burundi was not this clean. But right now, you can spot nothing on the road. Not that at all. We can say, as one of the smallest countries in Africa, it is really trying a lot. When it comes to cleanness, I can put them somewhere. It's even when you go to visit some places in Nairobi or in Kenya, Burundi surpasses them because of cleanness. Now, we are on the road from Burundi to Tanzania. And then from Tanzania, because of the border restriction, we're going to pass through Lusumo border and then we head to Rwanda. Wish us all the best.
Welcome to the rock city and also the port city of Tanzania. This is Mwanza. I don't know why many people don't visit this city. Is it because it's at the far end of Tanzania? Because it has so much to offer. Look at that. Surrounded by mountains, and the fact that they build the houses close to the rocks, it's very fascinating. I've never seen this in my life. This is Lake Victoria, and I'm so happy. I've never thought Tanzania is like this in my whole life. This traveling has brought so much appreciation to Africa countries, because I can see what Africa has to offer. Look at the stunning natural beauty. Everything is green. Look at that. The water bodies, the plants. People are so calm, welcoming. You have to appreciate what Africa is offering right now. If you have not visited Africa, you are denying yourself a lot of good things, because look at this place. Rocks inside water, and the fact that the rocks are even big and taller than the water. So fascinating. Activities that you can do inside here. You can just take a boat ride around the Lake Victoria, have a view of water, enjoy the cool breeze. But right now, let's see what this has to offer.
Traveling between these two countries can be challenging due to the border regulation and road condition. One of the biggest concerns is the paperwork required to cross the border. It's essential to make sure you have all the necessary documents and permits to avoid any delays or issues. The roads condition can also be quite rough, especially during the rain season. So it's crucial to plan ahead and prepare your vehicle for the journey. Additionally, there may be language barriers to overcome, as not everyone speaks the same language. So it's a good idea to learn some basic phrases in the local language to help you communicate with the locals. Furthermore, it's vital to stay informed about the current situation in both countries and plan your routes well accordingly, as some areas may be restricted or have travel advisories in place. Well, we'll take you through the stunning landscape and make this route so breathtaking, from the lowering hills and green pastures on the towering mountains and sparkling lakes. We just visit local attractions that showcase the unique culture and history of both countries. Well, if you have sharp eyes, you can see that you have already arrived in Rwanda, a land on 1,000 hills with the most landscapes and cleanest city. The beautiful roads that you will ever spot in Africa are only found in Rwanda. Furthermore, it's like the little Europe of Africa. Enjoy Rwanda. Traveling from Burundi to Rwanda by road offers an incredible adventure filled with rich experiences and beautiful sights, from the stunning landscapes and vibrant communities to the unique cultural attractions and delicious local cuisine. This route has something for everyone. Welcome to Kigali City, the heartbeat of Rwanda. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, comment and check on my other travel videos for amazing experiences. See you on the next one. Bye guys.